everyone, my name is Jillian, and I want to show you a little bit of hiccup cures. Now, the first one I have on my list is called sucking ice cubes. Now, let's go get an ice cube. Come on. We got our ice cube here. We gotta suck on it. Do this until the hiccups are gone, okay? Follow me. Now, the second thing on my list is plugging my ears and drinking water. Now let's see how this looks. Have some water. Open it. And first, this is how you do it. You take a sip. And exactly, you do it like that. Okay? Next one. Drinking from the far side of the glass. Okay, this may sound ridiculous. And it may sound hard. But it is possible. Make sure, here's the trick to this. Make sure you get a bottle of water, not a glass, or else it will spill all over you. If you get a glass, that's okay. Just do it over the sink. Now, you sip like this. And the trick is, you try to make sure your chin covers the rest of the part of the hole of the water bottle. And that's how you do it. Alright, next one. Holding breath. This may seem easy, but it isn't that easy. So you don't just hold your breath, You hold your breath for 10 seconds. But really you have to push like this. You have to push on your stomach and make sure when you blow out very slowly. Now, the next one, plug your nose and your ears. You only have, now I know you're thinking, you only have 2 hands. How am I going to plug my nose, how am I going to plug both of my ears and my nose? Well, here's the trick. I found this out yesterday by myself. Yeah, by myself. So you plug your ears like this, and then you reach over with your other fingers and plug your nose like this. You wait until the hiccups are gone. If this doesn't work, try rolling the tongue back as far as you can for as long as you can until the hiccups are gone, just like this. Okay? Next one. Okay. This is the gargle one. You have to gargle your ABCs. Make sure no one's in the room because they may laugh. So gargle your ABCs. If you don't get that far, that's okay. The last time, this helped for me. And then you have to swallow. And that may work too. That is a good one to do, even though it might seem a little funny. But don't choke while you're doing it. That would be dangerous. Next one, holding your nose. This is pretty easy. Just hold your nose, but you try not to talk because that may make the hiccups come back again. Hold your tongue out. Make sure you're not looking at someone while you do this. Until the hiccups are gone. Chew gum. Okay, let me go get some gum. kind of gum. You know probably how to chew gum, right? Yummy. Steaming. Okay. So, the next one is bending over. You know how to bend over. But make sure you bend over so your head is lower than your chest, like this. And you can hold on to your legs. And that may stop the hiccups too. Now, the next one is surprising or scaring. I will have some help from my dad. This is a demonstration.
Wow.
Just like that, okay? Okay, last one. It's stopping the back of the person who has hiccups. Just like this. And that might help too. Well, those were all your hiccup cures. I hope they help. Oh no. Well, I hope you don't get